Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, you already know what to do. So Shiba knew something crazy is about to happen, guys, and you definitely want to be prepared for what's to come. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Share with you guys exactly what I believe is about to happen, and you already know. So I already alerted the channel, prepared a lot of people, let people know I sold everything in the 20s. We just talking in number 4 zeros and 20s. I sold out. I seen the massive dip coming. Massive dip all the way to the downside, losing a zero. Instead of showing 4, it was going to show 5. That happened on May 12th. It happened around 3 a.m. It was very quick, so a lot of people didn't get to experience the pain. I do believe we're going to reroute and revisit that area once more. But that's not the only thing. That was just the first level I prepared you guys for. Now I'm going to prepare you for the second level. I believe once we come down and retest that and show 5 zeros, things could get hectic. We could move pretty quick from there, meaning we could drop a bit more if we came down to that level. Because once that level began to show, and if it break that level, that previous level that we came down to, showing 5 zeros and 9, if it break that, this thing is going to fall quick, guys, and could lose another zero just as fast as we got down to the 5th zero and show 6. So you definitely want to be prepared, guys, because you could lose a buttload of money, because only about 24% of the people that's invested in Shiba knew all over total is in the money, like basically in profits. They can see profits. They can sell now and they'll sell for a profit. 74% of the people that's in Shiba Inu is losing money. So those people is not going to want to lose even more money once they see a zero being lost to the downside. That's going to freak them out right there. They didn't have that chance to freak out on May 12th because it happened so fast. But whenever they do it slowly and gradually and they see it, they see their countdown, they're going to sell out. That 74% is going to start selling out because they don't want to experience bigger losses. The 24% is going to start selling out because they is going to go to the negatives instead of being in the profits where they could have made money on these crazy investments. They're going to start, losing all the gains that they made. So they're going to try to sell out and save themselves from losing, some of their profits. And it's only 2% of the people that's neutral. They haven't really made money. They haven't really lost money, so they bought, right around the area now, or in the 20s. They didn't really lose too much. So anyways, guys, you definitely want to be on the right end of the stick with this. Like I told you guys, I believe Shiba Inu could possibly be a great investment for long term. But the only way we'll be able to see and tell with that is a very, very small piece of, piece of the pie. We'll put, a very small amount of money in, maybe 300, 400, 500, no more than $1,000. On max limit, $2,000 on Shiba. But the way the crypto is looking now and the way altcoins is looking, the way, they could be rug pulled and just come straight down to be worthless in the blink of an eye, a lot of people is going to be more skeptical and more meticulous about where they put their funds at in the crypto. Instead of just throwing their eggs everywhere, putting their money anywhere, they is going to be hard down looking at, the information on these tokens to see exactly what type of technology they're providing and how is they going to be able to benefit and outperform the rest of the altcoins that's trying to do the same thing. So people is going to be hard down making sure they know exactly what they're investing in and, be a little bit more smarter with their cash. Because people that have millions of dollars invested in Terra Luna is now only worth a couple bucks, guys. And that's insane. So a lot of people lost buttloads and buttloads of money. And I already know how it is, guys, to lose bread. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for whoever, but it's a part of the game. You got to pay that market tuition, and them losses are only going to make you stronger and make you better, guys, over time. So you already know. Let's go ahead and take a look at this because the demand for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin has gone down significantly, guys. And this is only the beginning. Remember, this thing is up over 43 million%, guys, in a year and some change times. So be very, very cautious of how much this thing could actually drop. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. In fact, meme coin hype has been dying, and Dogecoin has been among the most affected coins today. That's why Dogecoin demand and that of the Shiba Inu has dropped by 70%. There are many Dogecoin investors selling in new ones joining the coin. So there's more Dogecoin and Shiba Inu owners selling more than there is newcomers trying to join the coin, guys. And that's as of right now, because if Bitcoin could continue to fall like I expect it to, after dropping under 30K, I told you guys we could come clean down straight to $19,000 to $20,000 range. On May 12th, We came down to $25,000. That was very, very close of our target of $20,000. I'm pretty sure we can go back down and retest that 25K level. And if we do so and don't hold, this thing coming straight down to where we expected it to. And once that does that, that's going to make the sympathy altcoins fall into sympathy as well. They'll fall with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is falling, and that will cause Dogecoin, Shiba, cause all of them to come down to much lower prices, guys. And that's when I will come out of the cave and start to load up, guys, and not load up significantly in altcoins. I'll be putting in, you look at them as lotto tickets. Just put in whatever you're willing to throw away. But Bitcoin specifically, now I definitely be, buying up Bitcoin to hold and really mean it, because we know Bitcoin is the one. That's the one you want, guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. We know Shiba new holdings of Ethereum whales declined almost 50%. That's insane, guys. 50% in less than 2 weeks. That should also tell you something. They see the same thing that I see. Ethereum whales has always been among the top Shiba new supporters. They always been the top Shiba new supporters. We were steady building with them. They had collectively grown their SHIB holdings to more than 1 billion at one point. Mainly, these top 100 Ethereum wallets are bullish on the digital asset, but it seemed that it is about to change. It was noted recently that the holdings of these whales had begun to drop at the sliding below 1 billion. It seems this trend is set to continue as holdings have declined almost 50%. So, right here, guys, we got in the past 2 weeks alone, guys, Whales Holdings has been trending around $875.8 million, nearly $1 billion. Today, that number is down to $543.7 million. What this shows is that from the start of May until now, Ethereum Whale Holdings has declined almost 50%. So you guys see exactly what's going on. I'm not saying this to scare anybody or stop you from making money or any of that, because you're free to do whatever you want to do. This is just simply letting you guys know what I'm doing. And Hayes has gotten out, guys, and I'm willing to get back in, but I'm going to wait to the perfect opportunity to do so, for it to knock out a couple zeros. So you guys already know I love you guys. Tell them hey man, I love you guys. You already know what to do. Add me on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.